Katzo. So now we do the sauce for the potatoes. While I cut the potato wedges, you mix in the sauce, but we'll do it together. It's tag team it like we've been doing, yeah?
Okay.
We've got mayonnaise, we've got mustard, we've got garlic, parsley, some lemon juice, and our favorite, bovril. We start with the mayonnaise. Yep. And then half of this mustard. And some garlic, we'll just put half of this. Chopped parsley, another pinch, some lemon juice. And our star of the show. Yeah, so that's about a tablespoon. I just measure by eyes, right? Okay, so you can whisk that all together. Nice. Got our water boiling here. Let me just cut up the potato wedges. Then we're gonna parboil this until they're half cooked, and then we're gonna season them, dust them in flour just to get that crispness, and then we roast them at high heat in the oven, right? I'm just gonna add this carefully into this. The sauce is done. We're ready with that. Let me drain the potatoes and then season them, and then we stick them in the oven. I get the potatoes onto the tray. Ah, lovely. So we spread them out. So what I'm gonna do is add some oil. Drizzle some oil, so it doesn't stick to the pan, but also it coats the potatoes so that when we put seasoning, it sticks onto the potato, yeah? Seasoning, some barbecue seasoning, give them a nice flavor. Yeah, you can go more on the salt. Let's add some flour into here. So what's gonna happen is give this a shake, lift, and coat just like that. Not too much. Just put a little bit more. I think we can go in with a little bit of parsley. Let's open the oven and get ready to do the final dish. Ha, nice. We're gonna let that cook, be crispy 15 minutes. Yes. Yes.